In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom sign-in email. If you've changed jobs, moved to a new email provider, or just want to streamline your accounts, updating the email you use to log into Zoom is quick and secure. Before you start, make sure you can access both your current email inbox and the new email address you plan to use. You'll need both to finish the change. Begin by opening a web browser on your computer and going to zoom.us. Sign in with your current email and password, just like you normally would. If you use additional security, you may be asked to verify your identity during sign-in. That's normal. Once you're in, look to the top of the page and click your profile icon. This might be your photo or your initials. This takes you to your account area. On the left side menu, open the My Account drop-down and select Profile. The profile page displays your core account details, including the email currently associated with your Zoom sign-in. Scroll down until you reach the sign-in section. Here, you'll see the field labeled Sign-in Email. To make the change, click Edit next to that field. This opens the form where you can update your email. Type in the new email address you want to use. Take a moment to double-check for typos. An extra character or a missing dot will prevent the confirmation from arriving. You may also be asked to enter your Zoom password again, which is simply a security check to confirm it's really you making the change. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. At this point, Zoom sends a confirmation email to both your old email address and your new one. This dual confirmation protects your account by ensuring you have control of both addresses. To complete the update, open the email in your old inbox and follow the confirmation link. Then do the same in your new inbox. You must confirm from both emails for the change to go through. If you don't see the messages, check your spam or junk folder and give it a minute in case of delays. These links are time-limited, so it's best to handle them right away. Once both confirmations are done, your Zoom sign-in email is officially updated. The next time you log in, use your new email. Your password and meeting settings remain the same. Only the email you use to sign in has changed. And if you normally sign in through a provider like Google or an organization's single sign-on, be aware that those methods may be managed separately.